What's up everyone, I'm Briggs and Anunobi. I'd like to welcome you back to another property tour. As you can see, we are in Miami, actually just north of Miami in Miramar, Florida, and we're checking out some beautiful, beautiful luxury homes by Lennar Homes in their Marbella community. It's a brand new community, guys. As you can see, the clubhouse is still under construction. It's a gorgeous resort style clubhouse with plenty of amenities, a fitness center, I mean the whole 9 yards. Miramar, Florida is about 35 minutes from downtown Miami and 25 minutes from Miami International Airport, so you are within close proximity to everything to do here in Miami. Now, this community has 4 model homes available to tour. Today's tour will be for the Plaza model home, which is a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bathrooms, just over 3,600 square feet of living space, and the asking price is $977,990. All right, guys, please hit that like button and subscribe button to help this channel grow. And now, let's start the tour. All right, everyone, let's start our tour from the outside of this home. We have our side load 2-car garage with stone pavers that leads us into the entry of this home. I'm loving the double door French door access into the main house. And then to the right, we have single door access into our next gen suite, which we'll take a look at near the end of the video. First, let's step into the main house right this way. Step in with me as we enter this humble abode. As you can see, we have luxury finishes throughout this entire space. Now, to our left, we have entryways into our 2-car garage. Then we have a utility closet to your right. Let's step into this garage really quick. And we have a standard size garage. Then as we enter back into the home, down this hallway, we have our half bathroom. Half bathroom has a window and it's beautifully designed as well. As we head back to the main entry level, we have this nook area here that's a perfect space for a living room. I love the way it's decorated here. Gorgeous chandelier options here that they have by Lennar Homes. It just brings everything together in this space. Now, as we progress further into the main area here, we have our dedicated formal dining room with gorgeous light fixtures as well. And as you can see, we have tons of space here, table seating for at least 8 people in this formal dining space. And guys, follow me into this main area here. We have our family room here, and I love the ceiling fan, and there's plenty of natural light in this family room area. Then we have this wide open space into our kitchen that you just have to have. Perfect space for gathering, entertaining, and enjoying time with your friends and family. Now, as we enter into the heart of the home, check out this cozy kitchen. Right off the kitchen, we have another eating area. This is a breakfast area. Plenty of natural light from here as well. And as you can see, we can see about 8 people over here as well. And then I love this direct access into our backyard. Check it out. Now guys, we have a covered patio that I love as well. Let's take a look. Nice sized backyard, guys. And remember, the backyards do not come landscaped. That will be an additional expense. I love what they did here with this backyard here. We have our stone pavers that leads into this access door to our next gen suite that we'll see later on in the video. But just take a moment to enjoy this backyard. All right, so let's head back into our house and check out more living areas. Love this kitchen island here. The sink-in island. We have nice appliances throughout. And then further into this kitchen, I noticed that we have a nice pantry in here as well. All right, guys, let's head upstairs and check out more incredible living spaces in this home. Right this way. Now, at the top of the stairs landing, we have 4 bedrooms on the second level. Our first bedroom will be off the right of the stairs. It's a nice sized bedroom in here. We have 2 large front-facing windows, beautiful chandelier options, and then we have a walk-in closet as well. And also, this bedroom does share a bathroom space with the main bathroom, which is a convenient feature. And right across from bedroom number 1, we have our upstairs laundry room, which is always convenient. And then here's another view of that same bathroom. And then down the hall, we have 2 additional bedrooms. And then these bedrooms are connected with the Jack and Jill bathroom. Let's head into the right bedroom first. As we enter into bedroom number 2, we have another front-facing, decent-sized bedroom, walk-in closet. Like I said, we have access to our Jack and Jill bathroom. Take a look. Guys, follow me as we enter into bedroom number 3. Now, this is a nice sized bedroom here. Again, beautiful chandelier, and then we have a very large walk-in closet. Take a look. All right, guys, now let's head into the room we've all been waiting for, our primary bedroom suite, right this way. I'm loving this French door access into our primary bedroom. I mean, you guys have to see this. Check it out. Large size primary bedroom suite, guys, and plenty of room for a chair, an ottoman, beautiful chandelier. And what I really love most is this private patio access. Let's take a look. Can you imagine just hanging out here, reading your favorite book and just relaxing? So peaceful, so zenful. And then you have a beautiful backyard to look at as well. This is a lake community, so a lot of the lots here have beautiful lake views. And guys, let's head back inside this primary bedroom and check out a really, really cool primary bathroom. Right this way. Before we head there, I have 2 incredible size primary closets to show you. If you're a lover of clothes and accessories, this house is for you. Directly across from this closet, we have another closet, and this one is even larger. This is the size of another bedroom, honestly. Now let's head into our ultra luxurious primary bathroom. guys, get ready to fall in love with this deep soaking tub. We have a beautiful floating vanity, double vanity, and then we also have a shower enclosure as well. Gorgeous finishes throughout this entire primary bathroom. We have a huge linen closet, and then we have our water closet right next to that. And then an extra feature that caught me off guard was this retreat, right? We have a whole nother retreat area to be an office, a nursery, or just an extra space to have in your primary bedroom. All right, guys, let's head downstairs and check out that next gen suite that I've been talking about for this entire video. Right this way. So welcome into this next gen suite. And this is a really cool feature, guys. This is essentially a 1-bedroom apartment, mother-in-law suite, whatever you want to make it. We have 3 access doors to enter this space. So this could single-handedly be a separate home from your main house. I mean, imagine the possibilities for Airbnb, VRBO. I mean, this could be a short-term rental or a long-term rental. It's an income-producing property to help you offset your monthly mortgage on your main house. I love the cabinets here. I will probably make this into my stove and microwave combo, but it's up to you. You can choose to make it whatever you want to make it. And here's another side entrance door into this next gen suite. Follow me into the bedroom space here. Very large bedroom here. We have a king size bed that fits comfortably. We have plenty of closet space here. And then we also have our attached bathroom as well. Full bathroom, single vanity, glass shower enclosure. Then we also have another access door to our backyard that I was talking about earlier. What a cool feature. And guys, we also have a stackable washer and dryer as well in the bathroom. And then we have a door that leads us back into the main house, or you can leave it locked. Well guys, that does it for this tour. Thank you so much for watching another property tour with me on this channel. This home is really cool. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And also, if you're interested in this property, be sure to click that link in the description box below to contact me right away. And guys, remember that we are touring 2 other homes here in this community, so be sure to be on the lookout for those next property tours in this community. I will be uploading those very soon. As always, guys, I do appreciate your support of this channel. Thank you so much for watching and helping this channel grow. If you have not subscribed yet, please click that subscribe button. Also, like the video as well. That does help the algorithms quite a bit. All right, guys, so that is my time here in Miami, Miramar, Florida, 30 minutes north of Miami. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys on the next property tour. Peace.